Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft a green dye in Minecraft. So in order to do this, you'll need to find some cactus. I have one right here. It's usually found on the desert, so it looks like this. Make sure to gather a lot of it if you want to use a lot of the dye. And after that, go back to your house. You'll need a furnace, so let's right click on it. It also needs a fuel right here. Now get the cactus, place it on the top of the furnace. It should start smelting into the green dye right now. And so here we have it. Now we can dye anything that we want and can. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.